Dhruv Patel joined STAD Solution for switching his career from the non-IT field to the IT field. Let's hear from him.
Hello everyone, my name is Dhruv Patel. I completed my diploma in electrical engineering. Basically, I am non-IT field. After complete study, I will decide to switch in IT field. Then I will join to STAD Solution. In STAD Solution, I will start with manual testing. In manual testing, I learn about test scenario, test cases, test report, bug report, etc. And then app testing, game testing, website testing also learn. I thank to Richa ma'am and STAD Solution team. I will really recommend to each and everyone to join STAD Solution. Thank you.